What at? It is, what's today? Friday, September 2nd, here in Scottsdale, Arizona. 5:50, gonna run to the gym, CrossFit, get a workout, and my sister comes in town tomorrow, so get back home. Like I was saying earlier, my sister TR comes in town tomorrow. I believe around noon time, I think. I'll have to double check. She sent me all the details with it, so we'll see what happens. It'll be fun. She's here until Monday, I believe. So Voight sent out like all this planning with events to do. We'll see what we end up doing for that day or for the weekend, but I'm excited. Haven't seen her for a few months already, so it'd be nice to have her back out here in AZ. Got a lot planned, Jump inside, get this thing done, head back home. I like that shirt. What is it?
Bird Gang. Variants, dog. State 48.
Oh, that is, huh? Okay.
Can't see the Kango?
I see that. Starting the WOD. Already did the first movement. You do a minute of pull-ups, as many reps as you can. So it's a complicated workout. We can talk about it later, but I'm gonna set everything up and get rocking. Steve, how you feel?
Good for Friday.
Yeah. Finished that workout now. It was really good. It's a little bit complicated to explain, so I'll have to just post it. But basically, you do each movement as many reps as possible, and then once you go to the next round, you only do 5 of that movement you did last, and you just keep adding new movements after that until you finish off, I think, for 5 rounds or so. But it's really good. Nice Friday workout, got a sweat going, so I'm happy with it. Excited. Sister's coming in town, so I'm pumped. It's gonna be an awesome weekend, a really awesome weekend. Kick it with TR and Voight, and then we'll see what we end up doing, but it's plans for tonight. We'll see what happens. I just forgot, I need to order some protein, man. I've had my supplement list built out for like a month already. Haven't even ordered anything. I need some more creatine, protein, everything. That's what I'm gonna do, go shop that and order. I'm really low on subs, and I checked some of the subs I had in that closet. A lot of them expired, man, so I'm gonna throw like actually half the product away. 11:22 at night, just on the phone with Voight, chatting up a bit. I got tired all of a sudden. I was watching some college football. Stanford played who did they play? Oh man, I can't even think of who they played. Anyway, Stanford ended up winning the game. Pretty easy, not too bad a game for that squad. That McCaffrey dude, he can play some ball, man. But finish that up. Going to clean up a little bit. Tiara's flying in around noon, so just make sure the crib's cleaned up and she has everything set so she can just kick it and we'll put her luggage and everything around. So I'm gonna make sure all that's ready to go. Probably link up with Voight at 11 or so in the morning, and then we'll just drive over to the airport and go pick her up. So it'll be fun. Excited to have her in town, really excited. But yeah, other than that, just gonna post up for the rest of the night from here. Nothing too big planned, and we'll just take it as it goes. So I will holler at you tomorrow when Tiara's in town. Much love, have a good night, peace.